One of the most easiest subject of CA Final, the good and simple tax can become a going straight to tension tax if you are not able to concise the whole syllabus in 1.5 days. Here are the 5 tips that will help you concise the syllabus and make you score 60 plus in CA Final IDT. Step 1. Divide IDT into category of 4. Category A includes the chapter like supply, charge, time of supply, value of supply, place of supply, ITC, job work, etc. These chapters are very much interconnected to each other and you can only attempt the 14-mark question when you are very aware of these chapters. The second category of chapter are the application-based scoring chapters. That includes TDS, TCS, e-commerce operator, refunds, registration, tax invoice, etc. etc. These chapters can be directly done from the question bank. You just need to watch a revision lecture once and then jump onto the question bank. The third category of chapters are the one which includes like offenses and penalties, demand and recoveries, appeals and revision, miscellaneous provision, liability in certain cases. These are the theory chapters that most of the people leave. But trust me, here's where the marks lies. You can score 50 or 70, that depends on these chapters. I prepared these chapters really well, because of which I was able to score exemption in IDT. And the category 4 chapter includes customs and FTP. You can do the A category chapter of customs really well, and the B and C category can be done directly from the question bank. Well, here's a pro tip. The first category of chapters will take a lot of your time. Those are necessary to do. But don't miss out the second, third and the fourth category, because in less time, they might give you the same amount of marks as the first category of chapters.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
Step 2. Do cumulative revisions. Whenever you jump onto a new chapter or start indirect taxes on a new day, make sure you revise everything that you did on the previous day. This will make your base chapters really strong, and also you will be able to easily identify the cross reference. Like in exemptions and in charge of GST, there are many cross references. TDS, e-commerce operator, all this are directly referred in the total income questions. So you will be easily able to do the cross linkage. Wherever you see such cross references, always use a red pen and make a cross reference mark. Read those 2 pages together and this will double your understanding. Your MCQs will become really easy to solve just because of this one technique. Step 3. The last day revision sheet. There will be certain concepts, for example, the rates and limits of value of supply, the entries of charge, the formulas of refund. This will be the areas where you will repeatedly make mistakes. Write everything down on a piece of paper, a single sheet of paper, and make sure you make it as concise as possible that you can revise it on the last day itself. Also, I used a trick to record my own audio and teach myself the concept that I was unable to grasp in the first time. You can use the same. One book suggestion. This book by Nikita ma'am also helped me in those 1.5 days. You can order the same from her website.
अच्छा, ठीक है, समझ गया.
Step 4. Amendments and RTP. The amendment of your attempt are really important along with the amendments of 2 previous attempts. Do the RTPs of the same and this will make sure that this becomes the exemption combo. Step 5. Write mocks and create your 1.5 day strategy. Well, this subject can give you a lot of marks, but you have to complete the whole subject in 1.5 days. For that, you will have to write mocks. When you will write mock, you will realize that some chapters are very thorough to you, but the others are not. You have to give proper time to those chapters in those 1.5 days too. So make sure you create your own 1.5 day plan and write as many mocks as you can.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
बस अब लास्ट में वीडियो को समराइज करते हुए आपको यही बोलूँगा कि अभी पढ़ते समय आप बस क्रॉस रेफरेंसिंग करते जाना. क्यूमुलेटिव रिवीजन करोगे ना तो बहुत इजीली हो जाएगा. उसके बाद आपको जो भी कंसेप्ट में फिर भी दिक्कत आए ना, उसको ये LDR बुक में उतार देना. अगर आपको चाहिए तो ये बुक भी ऑर्डर कर ही देना साथ में. 1.5 डे में बहुत हेल्प करेगी. उसके बाद अमेंडमेंट्स पे बहुत ध्यान देना, RTPs कर लेना और मॉक दे देना. उसके कारण अपना 1.5 डे स्ट्रेटेजी खुद का बहुत इजीली बना पाओगे. बस 1.5 डे में जितना होता है ना, रिलैक्स होके जाना पेपर में. ये पेपर आपको CA बना देगा. बस खुद पे भरोसा रखना. You will do it. Jai Shri Krishna.